Guangdong OULA Hardware Technology Company Limited is a factory with many years of professional hardware manufacturing experience. We mainly produce drawer slide, hinges, and door hinge hardware. Our factory covers an area of 13,700 square meters, with more than 130 workers and 40 sets of automatic production equipment. It has strong advantages in patented technology, manufacturing power, quality management, brand marketing, sales channels, and customer service. In our daily operation, a relatively perfect quality management system has been formed and continuously optimized with the development of the company. From raw material procurement to shipment inspection, OULA implements strict quality control over the entire process. The intelligent automation of production provides a strong guarantee for the quality of the products, which are constantly improving. Our products are mainly exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, etc. The annual export volume exceeds $5 million. OEM and ODM is acceptable. Most of our products have passed the international standard certification. At the same time, it has its own brand and is recognized in the domestic market. Guangdong OULA Hardware is a dynamic and innovative enterprise. OULA will accelerate the pace of reform in product design, manufacturing intelligence, sales and brand management, human resources, and company culture construction. Adapt to the needs of the times. Continue to innovate and provide competitive home hardware solutions and services, and strive to continue create maximum value for customers.